Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Spring with Spring Soulful Home, and today I'm taking you along as I set up a new desk space for my new computer. I'm excited to share this with you, and most of all, I'm super excited to have some new editing features for the videos I get to share with you. If you enjoy watching this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and let's get started to get this computer all set up today. Got in the new iMac in the mail yesterday. I had just been waiting to get this. I really needed a new computer to edit my videos on. I'd been doing it off of my phone, which was working out good, but I did want something much better. So I got that in the mail yesterday. I shared that on my stories over on Instagram. I was super stoked. And originally, I was thinking of using the table here as a desk and just kind of putting it catty corner right here. But because the computer is so light, I am afraid of it tipping over and falling. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm actually gonna put that table here in front of the window. And then I have an old antique dresser that actually goes with that mirror, and I'm gonna put that there, but I need to paint it, and I won't be able to get to that today. Maybe over the weekend, but I really need to get the computer set up. So I'm gonna start off by cleaning this off, taking everything away from there. Up here, I did buy a few things during the week, actually the day that I went and placed the order for my computer. It was just a couple things to set at the desk. And so I'm gonna go ahead and get started cleaning this. And so yeah, let's get on into that.
Change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I, baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't want.
All right, so I just want to share that this is the first time I've ever owned an iMac computer, and I was a little bit intimidated by it. I have always been a Windows user, but I have loved Apple products. I first started off with the very first iPhone, but as I set up this computer, I was a little bit intimidated. I had watched other videos with like iMac unboxing, and it was really a neat experience. I didn't share that with you on this video, but I would highly recommend. This video is not sponsored in any way, just my opinions. This computer was the most simplest and literally easiest thing I have ever set up as far as a computer, and just everything it has to offer. I am so pleased with it. Yeah, I would highly recommend, but super easy to set up. The mouse is awesome. The keyboard, just so simple, very user-friendly to use, and I just can't say enough about this. But in a bit, you're gonna see here, I am setting Siri's voice, because I noticed when I set this Siri up on this computer, it also changed the one on my phone, and so I didn't like just this normal standard Siri voice, so I went ahead and changed that. So you'll see which one me and my daughter decided to go with.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I, baby, you and I should start living now.
I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Do you want an American accent, Becky, or a foreign accent? Australian, British, American.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Voice
Choose the
two?
voice you'd like me to use.
Voice 2. There's a British one.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
British? Huh? The British one? Right, so I eventually ended up deciding to put my desk here in the corner. After letting it set the other way for a few days, I just wasn't feeling the whole vibe, my whole sitting room did not feel right. So I decided to move my desk here, and I'm just moving a few things around, a few plants, a few things here and there. You know how it is when we're arranging our home, we just want everything to feel in its place. I'm asking my daughter for her opinion of how things look here and there, and of course she's definitely helping me. But I do definitely like this setup much better. I am using right now a folding chair at my desk. I have an older antique chair that my aunt gave me. It's a wing back fluted chair, and right now it's like in a maroon and gold fabric. I have set my eyes on a hunter green. It's like a faux velvet fabric, and that is the one I'm gonna reupholster my chair with. It's gonna take me a little bit of time because I have a few other projects that I'm working on, and then of course I want to get a rug. I was debating on whether or not to put that white rug back in here that you may have seen a few videos back. After having that white rug here in my sitting room, it just really wasn't the wisest choice. I thought it would stay a lot cleaner with having like older children. However, white is white. You get your shoes, you know, you walk all over it. So anyway, I've taken that out, and again, I'm just rearranging everything. By now I've already set up my computer. Super simple, as I mentioned. So I hope you enjoy this as I finish setting this up. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I truly appreciate each and every one of your support, and we shall see you again on the next video, friends. You have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye-bye.